Good morning, everybody. Good afternoon, good evening. Today, I want to talk about 10 best products for everyday use that can change your life forever. And those products are amazing because they're coming from Atomy. Why they're amazing? One, they're a very good quality. Two, the price is very good. And three, they're amazing healthy products. They're gonna change your everyday life forever. And when you change it, your health, your beauty, your mood is gonna also go up. Number one that you need to change in your life is toothbrush and toothpaste. When you change that, there is lots of different problems that are gonna disappear from your life. Bleeding gums, problems with your teeth, bad breath, and also the throat problems. When you get very easily sick, that is gonna be gone from your life forever. Very good thing to do is change your toothbrush, toothpaste to the Atomy toothbrush, toothpaste. The second one is foam cleanser, perfect for men and women. Wash your face, wash your feet, wash all your body if you want to. Perfect for shaving and perfect for cleaning yourself. It contains natural antibacterial plant-based ingredients that are gonna help you, and also it gives you moisture for your face, so you stay moisturized the same time while you clean everything. That's very good product. It's very popular among men and women. Then when you wash yourself, you want to feel moisturized. There is two products that I'm gonna say that out of everything, that are probably the cheapest and the most effective that can help you in all ways. One is Atomy eye cream. Cost only $20 for members, but it is very good quality. You know, eye cream, it has to be very special because skin around our eyes is very sensitive and very different from the rest of our skin. The pores are very small. That's why this cream contains little particles that are 3 times smaller than a pore. They can go deep inside. Plus, it has all other Atomy super very cool technologies that I use there. So number one, which is fresh extraction, which means the extracts from the plants are taken within 24 hours from cutting them. Second is very special cleaning system. Instead of adding something to mask the color and the smell of the product, they are extracted, so they're removed. So very clean product. Number three is multi-capsulation, which I told you about, that the particles are very small, and inside of each particle there is 2 more, so they go very deep. They go deep through the pore, open up, go deep. So if you need to choose one product for taking care of your face, that's that, because it can be used for the eyes and for everything else, because the eyes is most sensitive, so it can be used anywhere else. And usual eye creams are very small, like 5 mils, but this one is 40 mils and it's gonna last you very long time, even if you use on all of your face. Costs just $20. So that's the face and essential. And the body essential is body lotion. Very good product and smells amazing, and it's natural aroma that comes from the ingredients that are inside here, not any additional chemical aromas. It's perfect for hands and all of your body. It sucks in into your skin very well, but keeps it hydrated throughout the day, and the smell is amazing. Doesn't give you any allergy reaction. And of course, you cannot live without washing your hair. So there is 2 options that we have here in Canada right now. Is the shampoo and conditioner, the herbal one, and shampoo and conditioner from Ayurvedic or Indian herbs set. So I'm using this one, and my kids are using this set. So either or you can use. It's very good, very healthy. If you have any allergic reaction for shampoos that you use right now, that's awesome. Use it. You're going to be very happy. That's how I actually got switched for Atomy products. And when our body is taken care of with those essentials, with the toothbrush, toothpaste, foam cleanser, body lotion, eye cream, which can be used for everything, and shampoo and conditioner. We have only 4 positions left. And those 4 positions are going to fill the rest of needs of your home essentials. So number 1 is dish detergent that can be used to clean everything else in your house, including your bathtub, your toilet, and even your car. I wash my car with it. I love it. It's completely plant-based dish detergent. You can wash your fruits and vegetables with it. It gives you additional health benefit from it, and it completely dissolves in water. It's 100% free from damaging any environment, because it does not have any artificial things added in there that are harming either us or environment. And of course, for cleaning, we need also other things such as gloves, natural latex gloves. They come 2 pairs in 1 bag, and sponges, which are amazing, and they never break. And sponges as well, they never break. You might just have a change of color and you just want to refresh it once in a while. So that's what I do. And all of those 10 essentials, they're gonna last you at least 6 months, the minimum 6 months. For just one of each, it's gonna cost you less than $150. Isn't it cool? It's amazing. When I used to buy healthy laundry detergent, it would cost me about $14 a month, because I had to constantly replace it. 4 or 5 loads and would finish, so I had to buy a new one, because I have kids, so they have lots of dirty clothes. But just this one bottle of detergent is $18. And using my previous detergents, I had to buy for over $150 just detergent a year. And this bottle lasts you minimum 6 months. For some people, it lasts a year or even more. And the same for the dish detergent, same thing. And this for the shampoo, basically you get more than triple economical savings from using Atomy brand. Besides that, health benefits, because it helps you get rid of allergy, of rashes, of falling hair, of bleeding gums, prevent from getting infections in your mouth, and so on and so forth, preventing you from getting chemicals with your plates or with your fruit in your body. It's just amazing. Very simple change, very affordable change in your world. You're saving money by doing this. You getting better quality products. You're saving planet by not damaging anything with using these products. And you get healthier, you get prettier, and you get happier. Plus, of course, you can even make money by doing that. Membership in Atomy, absolutely free. Anybody can register. Just go to atomy.com. If you need more information, just contact me through direct messaging or write down comments below, and I'll try to help you. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, put likes if you like the video, and put the comments about which videos you want to watch next. Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye-bye.